I'd like to call on Baron. Baron, pag hindi ka pa umakyat dito, let's go!
I just want to say, dun sa mga hindi na nakakaalam, 6 years na ako binigyan sa Cebu. And I love Cebu so much. So, ang ganda, no? I just want to also congratulate all the graduates this year. Congratulations, mga senior high students. Now, Gina ba kayo? I just want to share a little bit of my experience. Oh, my son is here. Hi, Q. Lumali ka, palakpakan natin.